two buns. I think they call them disco buns or fun buns or space buns. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today you're watching a tutorial about how to get these two buns. I think they call them disco buns or fun buns or space buns. They call them space buns. But yeah, I kind of had to do my hair anyway, and I don't know, I wanted something fun. And then I said if I was going to do my hair, I might as well film it, which would make this my first tutorial video. You know, let me know what you think. How'd I do? You know, let me know. I think it came out really good. I kind of had the idea in my mind, the concept was there. But I found this other YouTuber, I think it's Curly Girl Chic or Chic Natural or The Chic Natural or The Natural Chic. Can't remember, but I'll link her down below. And that video really just helped me see it, because the idea was in my mind of what I wanted to do, but the exact steps, that video helped me bring it all together. I'm proud of my work. I'm proud of my work, y'all. It's so cute. Literally, this is about to be a go-to style. Like, this is actually really cute, especially for the summertime. Like, you can have your hair up, out your way, just, and it's still cute. It's still giving life. It's still giving youth. It's still giving young. Like, ooh, I like this style. But anyway, if you're interested in see how I got this style, please continue to watch and make sure you subscribe. Are you subscribed to my channel? Why are you not subscribed? Subscribe and like if you want to see more videos like this. Comment if you want to see more videos like this. Let me know. Okay, so starting off, this is my hair after I washed it and blow dried it, but then I kind of let it air dry for a little bit. I'm basically just taking it down from the plaits right now. Now you'll see me parting my hair, which is honestly probably the hardest part of this, because you kind of want the lines to be straight. You want the lines to be straight because the style is a line down the middle. But yeah, this takes me a while actually, because I can do the front, but obviously, you know, the back is a challenge. So I'll go over this like a bunch of times, different directions, up, down, middle, just so I can get like the perfect part. And then you just kind of have to feel. Honestly, in my head, if I'm gonna get it as straight as I possibly can, and if it's not super straight, then it doesn't matter, because I can't see it, and I would only know if somebody told me, and at that point it's too late. So this is me thinking that I parted it well and I'm good. Actually, I think I even cut off and like asked my mom to help me part my hair, because why not? if you have an extra set of eyes to help you part, use them. So at this point, I'm just kind of sectioning off my hair so I can work section by section. That is always the way to go. Never try to tackle your hair all at once. Just go section by section. Okay, so right here, I'm taking a spray bottle. Obviously, add some water to your hair, some moisture, so it can be malleable, so you can move it, so you can comb it, so you can brush it, and it won't hurt so much, especially your roots. And if you have thick hair, definitely put some water or oil or conditioner or leave-in cream, whatever you need to put in your hair to like get it to be able to move and do stuff. Definitely do that. I'm about to go in with some Eco Gel just to help mold my hair. Comb it through. Okay, and once I go section by section, I put the rubber band on after I kind of comb it through and make sure it's tight and slick. I just add the rubber band just to get it in the muscle memory of being in that position, and then I just go through each section and I add the hair. So once you like take your time slicking each section back, brushing it through, putting your gel on, making sure it's smooth, I put it up in these little high pigtails, ponytails. I separate them and I put them in this like not. I put them. I don't even know how to say it, but I'll put them in these little high pigtails, and then I'll move on to the next side. That's pretty much like how you do the base, and then I'll come back and tighten it up. And then I go in and do the other side. Okay, so now that I have both sides in pigtails, I got the base done. And this is me kind of like testing to see what it could look like or what it's going to look like. Playing around, seeing how big I want them, seeing how small I can get it. Then I go in with this Shining Jam, which is literally, I love this stuff. Great for edges, great for slicking, just all around great. I'll go ahead and do my edges, or at least pull them out before I go in with the deep slick down for these pigtails, just because I want it to be super sleek and super tight, or at least look that way. You want to pull your edges out first and then go in and sleek, do a hard sleek of the pigtails. So before you saw me go in kind of with a softer bristle brush right here, I go in with a bit of a harder bristle brush just to help smooth and really pull my hair through and get it tight. This is the hard slick down, and when you want it to be as tight and as neat, this is the soft bristle brush that I use to slick it over. And then I'll go in with some Got To Be just to help maintain, keep it molded, keep it tight, and keep it still. That's what's gonna keep it looking sleek for a while and keep it molded down. So, and then I'll just go back in and retighten it, making sure that it's sleek still. At this point, I'm going ahead and I'm laying down my edges, because I've already sleeked both sides of my hair down. And what I'm about to do is get ready to finish the buns. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay these down with like a scarf, just so while I work, they can just be setting. Here comes said scarf. And now I'm about to go in and twist or plait my little pigtails just to prepare them for the hair that's gonna go on top of them to create the space buns. So you're gonna plait down each side, really simple. Okay, at this point, I will take the plaits and wrap them into little buns, and then I will set them with a rubber band to keep them in place. Simple little wrap around. And I usually wrap it around the band, especially because these are color bands. And you really shouldn't use color bands. That's just what I had on hand at the time. But this is a lot easier to do if the band is black. It really wouldn't even matter about covering it. But I just make sure to cover the band if I'm using a color band. Now it's time to add the hair on. So this is like a water wave hair left over from a style I did a while ago. So I'm just gonna use that hair. But you can use any like texture hair. This is crochet hair, by the way. It's kind of tight, so I'm gonna comb through it a little bit just to give it some volume. Comb it through. I don't want the curls to be that super defined. I kind of want to fluff them out a little bit, so I'm gonna pull them apart. And I'm also gonna add a rubber band onto this hair. That's how I'm gonna attach it to my head, but I'm going to tie it around. This is how they like tie it in the pack, but I'm gonna take the rubber band and I'm gonna tie it to the hair so that I can attach the hair to my head or to the bun of my head with the rubber band. Hope that makes sense. It's attached. Now I just put that around the bun of my head. Super simple. Very easy, you know, good enough. Now we're gonna go to the other side and do the exact same thing. Okay, now that I've attached the hair to both sides, I can go ahead and start wrapping it to make the actual space bun. So I twisted a bit here, and then I go about wrapping the actual bun, covering it from top to bottom, giving it more like a knot almost. But then I'll kind of like flesh it out and space it out just so it looks more bun-like. This is my initial wrap. It's decent. It's cute. I like it. I'll pin it with a wider bobby pin just because it'll hold better than like a thin bobby pin. I'm living with that. It's okay. Do the same thing on the other side. We're gonna twist. We're gonna wrap in a knot kind of motion, making sure to cover the top as well as the back and the sides. It's pretty simple. Like it's really simple. Go in and make sure you secure it, and then at this point I'm just pulling out little hairs just to allow the little curl of it to be more defined, more seen, because you can't really see the curl of this hair obviously in the bun. So you pull out a couple pieces, snip, and then I just kind of do that all over for a little playful taste. So it's a little bit messy as well. I like that. That's probably like the best part, like the added touches. Kind of makes it look a little bit more natural as well. Yep, and that about does it. So this is me taking off the scarf to see the complete look and it all come together. I think it came out great. Awesome. That's the video. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like I said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Or you'll see me in my next video. Duh.